Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with remaining exercises from chapter number 6, that is food for health. So students, in this chapter you had done the exercises, filling the blanks, choose the correct option, give two examples for each of the following, match the columns and answer the following questions, and the concept map related to the three food groups. Now we are going to do some activities or assignment work of this chapter. So let's do it. Students, look here. This is activity based question. Let's observe. So students, here picture is given. What we have to do? We have to observe this picture and answer the following questions. So question number first is question number A. Do you think this child is doing the right thing? So students, in this picture, look what child is doing. Child is eating a fruit. So students, do you think this child is doing the right thing? No. So you have to write here no. Why? So students, do you know why this child is doing wrong thing? Look at this picture. His hands are dirty and there are houseflies around him. So students, here you have to write one line answer, that is because his hands are dirty. Okay, can you also eat the fruits or anything without washing your hand? If you do this, then that is not good for you. This is a bad habit and it can make you sick. So don't do this type of habit. Always eat anything after washing your hand. Okay, so in this chapter you already study about some rules of healthy eating. So if you do like this, that is not good for you. Okay, now let's come to the question number C. Do you think he can fall sick? Yes, you have to write here yes. Why? Because he is not in proper hygiene. So students, this boy is not in proper hygiene. You should always maintain your proper hygiene. Okay, don't do like this boy. Now students, look at question number 2. In the space given below, draw any two energy giving food items you might find in your lunch box. Write their names. So students, in this given space you have to draw any two energy giving food items in this space that you might find in your lunch box. So students, first of all, I am sure you know about the energy giving food. What are energy giving food? Yes, those food items which give us energy are called energy giving food. For example, rice, wheat, sugar, these are the example of energy giving food. So students, in this space you have to draw any two energy giving food items that you might find in your lunch box. Okay, and you have to also write their names. Now let's connect maths. The clock tells us the time. The long arm is called the minute hand, whereas the short arm is called the hour hand. So students, what does the clock do? Yes, clock tells us the time. So students, in clock there are two arm or two needle. One is big and one is small. Okay, so students, big or long needle is known as minute arm. Okay, and short hand is known as hour hand. Okay, so students, I hope you understood. Read the clock and tell the time in each of the following. So students, here 3 clocks are given. What you have to do, you have to read the clock and tell the time in this question. So students, here look at the first clock. Small arm or short arm, that is called as hour hand, is at 8. It is between in 8 and 9, and minute hand is at 6. So students, it's time 8:30 o'clock. So students, the clock shows the time 8:30. Now students, let's come to the next clock. So students, here hour hand is at 2 and minute hand is at 12. So it's 2 o'clock. So the time is 2 o'clock. Students, the clock shows the time 2 o'clock. Okay. Now let's come to the next clock. So students, here short hand or hour hand is between 6 and 7, and minute hand is at 5. So it means this clock shows the time 7:25. Okay, 7:25. Now students, let's come to the next page. Let's apply. Roshni mostly eats food rich in rice and wheat and not fruits and vegetables. Do you think she is eating healthy? Why? So students, in this picture, in this question, what you have to answer here, Roshni mostly eat foods rich in rice and wheat. So students, Roshni eat foods made up of rice and wheat, and she don't eat fruits and vegetables. So do you think she is eating healthy? Why? So students, Roshni is not taking a healthy food, because to stay healthy we need all the 3 food groups, like energy giving food, body building food, as well as protective food. So students, Roshni is taking only energy giving food, but our body also needs body building food that makes us to grow and helps to make our bones and muscles strong, and protective food protect us from falling ill or falling sick. So she is not taking a healthy food. So first of all, you have to write no. Why? So you have to answer, because she is taking only energy giving food, and our body need all type of or different type of foods that make us to stay healthy. Now let's analysis and evaluate. So students, here question number first, which of the 3 foods shown here would you choose if you need more energy? So students, in this picture, first picture is of fruits and second is of rice and third is of egg. It means both 3 pictures are of 3 different food groups. This is protective food, this is energy giving food, and this is so I hope you understood about this. So now you have to complete these activities in your notebook and your scrapbook. Now this chapter is completed. I hope you understood whole about chapter. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.